One of the worst parts of owning a trailer is emptying the tanks. My girls won't do it at all because it requires hooking and unhooking of poopy pipe and equipment and stuff, and I've done my best to provide gloves and dedicated hoses for this process. And the other day I was on the internet and saw a trailer modification and saw this WasteMaster system. Basically what it does is it takes from the black and gray tank and plumbs in a permanently connected drain hose and then stores it in this super nice sanitary container underneath your trailer. So I went ahead and bought it and installed it. Anyways, the whole hose stays permanently connected to both black and gray. In their instructions, they recommended taking off the factory valves off black and gray, but I left them on because I didn't want the waste to sit in the hose after in between drainings. So I can turn it off and on here. Anyways, what you do is you just pull this system out. This expanding hose expands up to, I don't know, 20 some odd feet. Has its own valve. So you would set this in your tank, turn the valve on, and I went ahead and stole a Tupperware container from my wife and put gloves in it. Cut a hole, melted a hole out of the bottom of it, and it also allows you to disconnect the WasteMaster hose in case you wanted to connect something else on there with just these quick release type latches. Anyways, I thought it was really cool.